Adding a product involves more than entering a name and price. You need images, descriptions, inventory, variations, and a product page that helps customers make a decision. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and publish your first product in EasyCommerce. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the store, select products, and click Add Product. This opens the EasyCommerce product editor. Start by entering your product name. Next, add a short product summary. Keep it simple and focus on what makes a product useful. If you don't want to write it from scratch, you can also let EasyCommerce AI do the work for you. Just click Generate with AI and review the suggested prompt. You can edit the prompt if needed, then click Generate. In just a few moments, EasyCommerce will generate a product summary for you. If your product comes in different options like sizes, colors, or materials, you can set those up using attributes. You can add them manually by clicking Add Attribute and entering the details yourself. Or if you want to save some time, EasyCommerce can generate them for you using AI. Just click Generate with AI, choose how many attributes you need, and set the number of values for each one. Then click Generate, and EasyCommerce will automatically create the attributes and their values for you. You can quickly review them and continue with your product setup. Now, let's set up the product's pricing and inventory. Click Add New Price to create a pricing block. If you've already added attributes like size or color, you can create the variations one by one manually. Or, to save time, click Auto Generate Variants. If there are already existing variants, EasyCommerce will ask whether you want to replace them. Choose Yes, Replace if you want to generate the new variant, or select No, Keep if you want to keep the existing ones. EasyCommerce will then automatically create the variations based on your available attribute combinations. You can go through each variation and update details, then expand it to see the available options. Next, choose whether you're selling a physical or digital product. Here you can select attributes, enter the regular price, and if you're running a discount, you can also add a sale price. Then, you can also calculate your profit margin to get a better idea of how much you're actually earning from each sale. Enter your available stock and set a low stock limit so you know when it's time to restock. Next, add the full product description. You can write it yourself, or if you want to save some time, let EasyCommerce AI write it for you. Just click Generate with AI, and within a few moments, EasyCommerce will create a detailed description for your product. Use this section to give customers more information about what you're selling. Now, let's add product images. Click Upload Images to choose images from your WordPress media library or upload a new one directly. You can also create product images with EasyCommerce AI. Just click Generate with AI, customize the prompt if needed, and hit Generate. In just a few moments, you'll have a new product image ready to use. Once you have added your images, choose the one you want customers to see first. Hover over it and click Set as Thumbnail. Next, organize your product using categories, brands, and tags. Select your existing options or use the management controls to create new ones. Categories help shoppers browse related products, while brands and tags make your catalog easier to manage and search. You can also choose how your product page will look to customers. EasyCommerce includes ready-made product page templates, so you can select the layout that best matches your product and store design. For more control, you can further customize the layout using the product page builder. Here, you can customize the product URL, choose whether the product is visible in your store and search results. You can also decide whether customers should be required to write a comment when submitting a review. If the product isn't ready, save it as a draft and return to it later. Once everything looks correct, click Save Product. Your first EasyCommerce product is now ready for customers.